Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit invoice template here in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now go to the top right, click on the gear icon, click on it, and in here we have the customizations tab. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and click on PDF templates. Okay, click on it, and once done, in this panel, all right, go ahead and find invoices. Click on invoices and just go ahead and click on new right here. You cannot delete the default invoice. Okay, click on new. Now go ahead and select from one of these templates available from Zoho Books. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use premium right here. Use this, select the language, then use this. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and edit the template name, paper size, orientation, the header and footer right here, transaction details or document details, table, total, other details. And once that's done, hit on save. Now, don't forget to click on the gear icon and set this one as default. Okay. And after that, you can now go ahead and go back, close the setting, make your new invoice from sales, invoices, new right here, fill in the required fields. And once done, the new template will be used. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.